Greetings of the day, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring Amazon Web Services, AWS, the world's leading cloud platform. We'll cover its core services, infrastructure, and how they empower businesses globally. Let's dive in. Before going ahead, I would request, please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to Linux administration, VMware administration, various cloud administration, DevOps tools, and many more new technologies. So let's get started. AWS is a comprehensive cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. It offers over 200 services, ranging from computing and storage to AI and analytics. The core strengths of AWS are its scalability, reliability, and global presence, which allow businesses of all sizes to innovate quickly. AWS's global infrastructure consists of regions and availability zones spread across the globe. These are designed to provide high availability, low latency, and disaster recovery. This ensures that services remain accessible and secure no matter where users are located. One of the most critical aspects of AWS is its compute offerings. EC2 provides virtual servers to run your applications. For serverless needs, Lambda allows you to execute code without managing servers. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services developed with Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, and Ruby. These options offer flexibility for different workloads. AWS also supports containers with services like ECS and EKS. Red Hat OpenShift service on AWS allows organizations to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications using the familiar OpenShift interface, with AWS handling much of the underlying infrastructure management. Storage is another strength of AWS. S3 is its object storage service, ideal for storing any type of data. For block-level storage, EBS is tailored for use with EC2 instances. If you need long-term archival, Glacier offers cost-effective storage for infrequently accessed data. On the database front, AWS offers fully managed services. RDS handles relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL. DynamoDB provides a highly scalable NoSQL database solution, and Aurora combines the performance of commercial databases with the simplicity of open source. AWS's networking services include VPC, which lets you create isolated networks within the cloud. Route 53 is a DNS service for routing user requests, and CloudFront accelerates content delivery through a global network of edge locations. Security is a top priority for AWS. IAM enables fine-grained access control. For protection against DDoS attacks, AWS provides Shield, while WAF safeguards web applications against common vulnerabilities. For developers, AWS offers tools like CodeBuild for building and testing code, CodePipeline for CI/CD workflows, and CloudFormation to manage infrastructure as code. These tools help automate and streamline the development lifecycle. Machine learning is a growing focus for AWS. SageMaker helps you build, train, and deploy ML models quickly. Rekognition offers image and video analysis, while Comprehend is used for natural language processing. AWS excels at analytics. Redshift is a powerful data warehouse. Athona allows you to query data stored in S3 using SQL, and Kinesis enables real-time data streaming and analytics. AWS also supports the Internet of Things. IoT Core connects and manages IoT devices securely, while Greengrass extends cloud capabilities to edge devices. AWS IoT is used in industries like smart homes and industrial automation. To manage your resources, AWS offers tools like CloudWatch for monitoring, CloudTrail for auditing, and Cost Explorer for cost management. These tools provide visibility and control over your AWS environment. AWS uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, meaning you only pay for what you use. It also offers a free tier for new customers and various savings plans for predictable workloads. This makes AWS accessible to startups and enterprises alike. In summary, AWS offers a versatile suite of services that cater to diverse business needs. Its global reach, scalability, and robust features make it the leader in cloud computing. Thank you for your attention. I'll now open the floor for questions.